Good morning students. Once again I welcome you all in this online class of science. And students, as you know, we are discussing about the chapter motion and time. We have discussed about the types of motion, the time, the speed. In today's video I will be showing you the simple pendulum. Okay. So as we discussed, what is a simple pendulum? It is a small metallic bob. See this one? Small metallic bob hanging with a thread to the stand. So it will be fixed with a stand, and it moves like this, to and fro motion. So this is a simple pendulum. Okay, this is the small metallic bob, the thread and the stand. See, this is simple pendulum. Now what are the things? See, in the figure also I have shown you. It moves from one extreme position to the other extreme position, and this is the mean position O. So this we can say A, this B. A and B are two extreme positions. See here, A and B, and O is the mean position, the center. So when this pendulum moves from one extreme position to the other and then comes back, it is called one oscillation. So what is one oscillation? Complete to and fro motion of a pendulum, right? From one extreme position to the other and then coming back. It is called one oscillation. And what will be the time period? The time taken to complete this one oscillation. Going from A to B and then again coming back to A. That will be calculated as the time period taken to complete one oscillation. Clear, students? We will do an activity in which we will calculate the time period of the pendulum. How? We will count the number of times it is moving, and in seconds we will see from the digital stopwatch, or from the mobile also we can see. You can make this type of pendulum at home also. Fine. It's very easy to make, and then we will calculate. We will have the readings and we will calculate the average time period of the pendulum. Okay, students? So I hope it's clear in this class about the structure of the pendulum. A small metallic bob hanging with a thread, and this is the to and fro motion, that is oscillatory motion. The motion which is repeating, it is called oscillatory motion, right? And the time period in oscillation are also clear. So I think simple pendulum is all clear. In the next class and in the live class, we will be doing the activity to calculate the time period of the